right? And then we can solve this. By having uh,
Or else, I also like have a book of sample paper. Is it
oh,
fine if I share that
yeah, yeah, you can also share that. Yes, please share that. Right.
right now?
Yeah, right. Whenever you get time, whenever you get time, let's discuss this time. I have this sample with me and oh, again there are markings. Some of the questions have markings. So I was trying to find one sample paper in which but so let us solve this thing. And yeah, let's start with so area of a sector of central angle 120 of a circle is 3 pi centimeters square. Then the length of the corresponding arc of this sector. What would be the arc? So we have to have the preliminary idea that what is the area of sector, what is the area of sector, and what is length of an arc. So what is the area? What is the area of sector? Yeah, what is the area of sector?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. The area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, and the
Okay,
length of an arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
good. So we have to use these two things, and then we have to solve the length of the corresponding. So you tell me what is the arc length that you are getting?
So we can use either of the formula, or any one of them.
So we have to use both of them, right? Get the answer of this thing, we have to use both of them.
Okay, we have to find it.
Yeah, please calculate and tell me what you are getting. Or we can discuss, right? Okay, first thing, what do you know? You will tell me all these steps that I have to take. So first thing, what do I need to do? Yes. Okay, so you are calculating on it. So yeah, calculate and then we can.
So they have said 3 pi, right? So in pi, we have to put 3 pi r, or should we like put 22/7?
So pi, we have to put pi, right? Because all the answers are in pi. So we have to put pi.
Got the answer, 3 pi.
Pi. So 3 pi you have got. So the arc, the area of sector both are same. So what is the area of sector? We have said this thing. What is given? Area of sector is what?
120/360 into
120 upon 360 and pi r square. And what is this
yeah.
area which is given? Yes, area is
This
how. Look at the question. First line or first.
120 degrees, right?
So that you have told. The angle is 120. What
3
is this?
pi.
Area is
3 pi.
3. This is 3 pi, right? And then 120 by 3. So this is pi by 3 r square. So then what do I need to do? What is the next step? What's the next step?
Can we cancel 3?
3. So this will go, the left hand side will be multiplied. How can you cancel this? Yes. What what is the next step? Yes.
We multiply?
Yeah. So this goes in there. This is 3. What about pi?
Will be in the bottom.
It will
Divide.
be, and then we have r square. So pi will cancel. So then what will we get?
So if there is 3, so 3 threes are 9. 9 is equal to r square.
So then what will we get?
R will be equal to root of 9, so that is basically 3.
So r is 3. So now we have got r equals to. Then we have to find the r. So r would be how much?
Yeah, and calculate.
So this is the thing we have to calculate, right? Length of the arc we have to calculate. We have said that 3 pi, right? This was your answer.
You can write 3 is equal to 120/360 into 2 pi r.
No. Arc we have to find out, right?
Yeah,
Arc,
length of the arc itself.
arc is 120 by 360 pi r. And then what we need to do?
We can cancel 120/360 with 3. So we'll get 6 pi r.
6 pi r. So this r you have put 3, right? So 2 pi and r is 3
3.
divided by.
3.
So what we will get?
6/3. 6 pi by 3.
So 3 cancel, right?
But we can even cancel that after multiplying.
Yeah, so with that we can also do. So r would be how much? 2 pi
2 pi.
centimeter. So what is the answer? 2 pi centimeter, right? This is the answer that we right?
Yeah, I didn't cancel the pi.
Mm. Yeah, so pi would not be cancelled, right? Pi is there. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now let us come to the second question. Maximum value of 1 by sec theta. what is the maximum value of that? Yeah. What do you think? What is the maximum value of sec theta?
So can we should write the reciprocal of it of sec will be cos.
Okay, good. So, which means that we have to find out the maximum good. We have to find out maximum value of cos theta. We have to find out this. Good. So, what is the maximum value of cos?
One.
1. Good. So, maximum value of cos theta is 1. At what angle you have cos theta equals to 1? What is the angle? At what theta? Yes. What is the theta for which you cos?
Zero.
Yes. Good. So, cos 0 is 1. So, theta is 0. Good. So, this is correct. Yes. Good.
So, but if at all, if the maximum value is one, but the angle is zero, so should we like choose zero or one?
No, no. They are saying that the maximum value is 1. The angle is, they are not saying that what
Zero.
is the angle. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now, what is this thing? So, you simplify this thing and tell me what you are getting. What are you getting for this thing? What is the standard or universal rule that we will apply here? What is the standard rule? Yeah. What would be your idea to approach this question?
So, like we will like put the reciprocal, like we can write tan as sine by cos.
We will write everything in the form of sine, right?
Y- Yeah, we can write sec by sine, then sine by cos, then one minus sine can be, yeah, one by sine minus sine by sine.
Yeah. So sec is 1 by cos, right? So please solve this thing and tell me what is the answer.
I got one by cos theta and then sine theta. Like the last value I got. Can I like tell the whole thing?
You got 1 by cos theta and
Into sine theta.
sine theta. So
Like
this is
below.
sine theta by cos theta, right? This is tan theta that you are getting. So this is, there is not any option which says tan. Tan theta is not there in
But
formula.
how I solved it is like I first wrote sec theta as 1 by cos theta plus tan as sine by cos. Then I
Yeah,
wrote 1 by sine theta minus sine theta by sine theta. And
yeah.
then I,
So let us solve it together. You will tell me all these steps that you follow, and then we will solve this. So the next thing, what is the next step? Which one can be
you cross
simplified?
multiply them. You can write
Cross,
cos theta.
where is cross multiplication? There is no equal sign here, right? How can we cross multiply? So this can be simplified further, right? These are fractional terms. So we have to take the LCM. So this is cos theta. And then this is 1 plus sine theta. And then this is 1 minus sine. So this is what you will get, right?
Yeah, I got that. Cos theta.
Yeah. And then tell me what is, so which thing can be, what is the thing
This
that can be
is of the form a square minus b square.
good? So this is 1 minus sine square. Okay. And then what can we do?
We can say that 1 minus sine square theta is of the identity.
Yes,
Like
yes.
the
What is
first
the identity?
identity. That
Yeah,
is sine square, 1 minus sine square can be written as cos
cos
square
square. Good. So this is
upon
cos.
cos. We can
So
cancel both of them. So we will remain with a cos.
yeah. So what was the answer that you were getting? This is right.
No, I made a mistake. I actually cross multiplied them because of which I did not get.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So just calmly look at the questions, right? Don't rush. So step by step, choose that topics, right? Okay, good. So this is the third question. Now let us move on back to the next. So next question is the assertion reason, and in this one we see that yeah, there are a lot of efforts. So we have to reduce the effort, right? So because these are in these assertion and reason, which one is simpler to find? This part or this part? Which one is direct? Which one is direct
No, the
question?
first part is easier.
First part is easy. I see that, or what I am seeing is that this reason part is easy one to figure out, right? So, yeah, it is
Yeah,
looking
but we don't know the angle of P, so how will it?
angle P. This is angle P, right? So this is the
No, but we
statement.
have to find that angle theta. Right?
No, no, no. So we don't need to find. So they are giving that what is. So they are telling us that what is the expression. In expression, we don't need the value, right? What would be the expression if your angle is P, your radius is R? So what would be area? What would be area then if your angle is P, radius is R?
Theta by 360.
Theta is P.
P by 360.
And then
2 pi r.
area, area of sector, not
Um, Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square.
pi as well. So this is the expression, correct? This
Yeah.
is the expression for sector. But if we look at this reason, so this is totally wrong, right? There's this 2 which is extra in here, right? So this reason is wrong, right?
Yeah.
Without solving the assertion part, we can directly say that this reason is wrong. So let us look at the options that we have. So in which option they are saying that right? So in this one they are saying that reason is true. And this one they are saying that reason is true.
C is true, but R is.
Yeah. So in C1, in option C, This one is the only option where they are saying that reason is wrong. So this so reduce. We have to save the time, right? And we have to look what methods that we got. What are the methods that we have to apply? So what is the approach that we should apply so that we can reduce the time, right? So without solving this part, we already got the result, right? So is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Good. So now you do the fifth question. Solve the question and tell me what is the value A and B that you will get. Yes, what is the value of A and B you are getting?
I got 15 degrees as A, but I'm confused with B.
Okay, so what
Um,
is the first thing that, yeah, let us solve this step by step. So sine A plus 2B is root 3 by 2. But we know that at what angle sine is root 3 by 2. So what
Sine
we can
6.
write? So this is sine 60. So if these two are equal, right hand side, left hand side, so which means that this thing should be equal to this. So A plus 2B is 60. This is a linear equation, right? Something like x plus 2y is 60. Then this one, a cos A plus 4B. This is 0. At what angle cos is 0?
90
So this is cos 90. So A plus 4B is
is equal to 90.
90. And then let us write this thing. So A plus 2B equal to 60. So we just subtract these two values. This
Yeah.
will cancel. This is 2B is 30. So B is 15 degrees, right? Then we can put,
Oh, we are
so in
supposed to
one of,
subtract 90 by 60. So
yeah, so
B is equal to 50.
So B is 15. Then we have to just put in one of the equations. This is 1. This is, where is the second? This one. So then we have to, then yeah. So how can we calculate A? What would be A?
A is A plus 2B is equal to 60.
Yes, correct. Then,
Then we know that B is A plus 4B equal to 90.
no, no, this thing we have. So from this one we can calculate A, right?
Oh
We
yeah,
know.
we can put the value of B. So A plus 2 into 15. 2 into 15 is equal to 6.
Then what is A plus 30 is 60. So A is 30. Right. So A is 30, B is 50. That is the answer, right?
Okay, yeah, I got 15 for B, but the thing is I forgot that we have to put the value of the and in that. So
Yeah. So that is why we are practicing the question, right? So uh, yeah. Okay. So then let us try the next question. Okay. So you calculate the sixth this one, right? Because we have to practice both the questions. So you tell me what is the value of this thing that you will get.
okay, so we can like solve this. But we know tan theta is 12 by 5, so 12 can be like, okay, I'll solve.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So 12 is perpendicular, 5 is base, and then yeah. So yes, idea is correct. That is the correct idea.
Yeah, I'm still solving. Here I got hypotenuse as 13 centimeters. I
But
got
yeah, that
root
is correct.
169.
So hypotenuse is 13.
So
So
sin theta is p by h and cos is b by h. So 12 by 13 plus 5 by 13 divided by 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13. And then
yes,
have to
yes, yes.
solve it.
12 by 13 plus 5 by 13. 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13. That is correct. So you have to take, yeah, this is correct. Then what next? So, yes, absolutely correct. Then yeah, then what you
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, we got 221 by 169 from 221 by 160.
so this is 13, this is 12 plus 5 divided by 13, 12 minus 5. So 13, 13 will cancel. This is 17 by how much? 7, right?
This will get cancelled.
Yeah. First, try to cancel everything, right? Whatever is common, don't multiply. That will take up your time. And remember, you have to
But
save
how
everything.
did you get 17? Because 12 plus 5 and 12 minus 5 is.
Yeah, 12 plus 5 is 17, right? 12 minus 5, right?
But, and we cancelled the.
13, 13 is cancelled, right? Okay, then do this next question. Because for us, there is no or, right? We have to solve every question.
Yeah, but still, I guess even if we have to choose, then the A is only easier.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we have to choose which the easier one. Whenever you get the optional questions, right? Whenever you get the option between two, so yeah, you have to choose that question in which you feel comfortable. That yeah, you have to decide at that.
In our science exam, we did not even have a single or question.
Oh, you did not get a single question of, but I guess you will get some questions like that. Yeah, please solve this B part 6.
Which one? The B?
Yeah, yeah, 6B.
Can you show the figure? I draw the figure.
Oh, yeah.
I
So
want to
the
see the figure is correct one.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So two poles, this one, this one. So we have right. This is the ground, and then we have our two poles, right? So one is
Mm.
15 meter, the other one is 30, and Yeah, and then what they are saying, and the line joining their tops. Okay, so these are the tops, this one and this one, and the line joining their tops, this one makes an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. So what is the horizontal? This is the horizontal. So with this horizontal, this line makes the angle 60 degree. So then you have to find out the distance between, let's say, A, B. So AB you have to find out. Let's say this is CD and this is E. So AB you have to find it. Yeah, this is the diagram.
So here we use the hypotenuse upon perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right?
Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what are the lengths which are given? This is 50. This total is 30, right? This total is 30. So how much is this thing from here to
Which
here? How much is dB? How much is D?
30,
What is
right?
dB? dB. How much is dB? So this is 15. So this much would be the same. 15, right?
Yeah.
Correct? And then how much is this thing?
We can minus 30 with
So
15.
15.
We'll get
So this is again 15. So this is 15. This is you have to find out, right?
yeah.
This is you have to find out you are given this thing and this is the right angle triangle. So what trigonometric ratio you will use, right? This is the hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is
Tan.
tan. Good. So tan 60 unit. This would be
Tan 60.
15 by x
Tan 60 is root 3, so
is
tan
15 by x. So x would be 15 by root 3. But you have to rationalize this thing. So what is this thing? X is 15 root 3 by 3. So 5.
so 5 root 3.
Yes, this is correct. Clear.
Yeah.
Good. But yeah, so the next one, this one is the tough one, right? You have to solve. Yeah, please solve this what seventh A part. Seventh.
But the B option is easier because
Yeah, yeah. But, but let's say in exam this question comes, right? So we have to yeah solve everything. In our preparation we have to solve. So that is totally yeah. In
no, they
the
like in this question paper they have put one very hard and one very
yeah
easy, so
yeah.
everyone
So
knows.
yeah, everyone yes. So this B part is the easiest, right? Yes, correct. You are absolutely correct. Remember, we have to solve this thing, right? Let me just do this problem, right?
So
And
we have to prove that ki sin theta plus cos theta
so this is
is
given. This
equal
is
to root 3.
yeah. This is given. So you are given. that sine theta plus cos theta is so just remember this. Now we have to prove this. So let us solve this thing. Right, let us take the LHS. LHS would be how much? This would be sine theta by
Sine.
cos
We can
and
write sine. So
yeah,
no
that
wait, 1 second. We have to prove tan theta plus what is equal to 1, right?
yeah. So this is
So then
yeah,
why why is it given that sine theta plus cot is equal to 1? If we have to prove tan is equal to 1.
yeah. So because we at some point at some later stages we have to use this. So that is why it is there. Okay.
So we have to mainly prove the tan.
Yeah. So we have to mainly that this thing is right. Yes. So this is right here. Okay. So now, so this is what is this thing? So sine theta into cos theta. That would be your LCM, right? And then this thing is how much? So cos theta divided in sine theta. So sine square theta. And then sine theta divided. So you have cos square theta. So what is this thing? This is 1 divided by sine theta into cos theta. Right. So this is given. Now you see that they have given, so we are getting this in product form.
We can write sine and cos. The below word also has 1, right?
No, no, no. So how this is, cannot write
Oh, that's
this.
into.
Yeah, so that is it, right? Okay, so but we are given this thing, sine theta plus cos theta, that is equal to, right? So what do we know? That if we take this thing in the other side, if we take this thing in the other side, so what would be that? This is sine theta equals to root 3 minus cos theta, right? And remember, the identity is that we have to use square. So what we will do is that we will square this thing, squaring both sides. So what we will get? This would be sine square theta, right? This is how much? So this is root 3 and minus cos theta whole square. This would be how much? This would be sine square theta. This is 3 and this is how much? Root 3 and to 2, right? Let me write, this is minus 2 root 3 cos theta and then this is cos square theta, right? So this is the thing. Now what is the next step? So we know that if we take this thing the other side, right? This thing the other side, so this is minus cos square theta and this is equal to 3 minus 2 root 3 cos theta, right? This is what we will get. And yeah, so, uh, and then what is this thing? So you see that this is cos theta, this is all these things. So we can write sine square theta in the form of cos theta. So I will directly write this is 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta and then this is 3 minus 2 cos theta. So how much would be this thing? So we have to take all these things in the right hand side. Or let me write it as 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This is 3 minus 2 root 3 cos theta. So this one was a lengthy and difficult question. We take this thing in the right hand side. This would be how much? 3 minus 2 root 3 cos theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 0. So this would be 2 cos square theta and minus 2 root 3 cos theta and plus 2 equal to 0. So what is this equation? What is this equation?
It's a quadratic equation.
Good, absolutely good. Yeah, we can divide this two. We can take it common and cos square theta minus root 3 cos theta plus 1, that is 0. So we can write it as this. So this is a quadratic equation. We will solve this and yeah, we'll keep. So we'll stop it here because I have another class which should happen. So we have to solve this quadratic equation, then we'll get the value of cos. So we'll get the value of cos and then we can solve this. Right, so that is yeah, so we will discuss this question in the next class. Okay, we'll stop at
Okay.
yes, yeah, and I'll send you those. Did you get those sample papers? Did you get those?
No, I never.
Oh yeah, so I will